welcome to the Country Castle. Today we are working on fixing our winter blues by baking some warm, fresh sourdough bread, putting up our Valentine decorations, and just dancing and singing through the house, which is one of our favorite things to do when we need to lift our spirits. As always, thank you for coming along. The temperatures have dropped in our little small town, and with it has brought the frost on our windows. And so I thought I would show you how beautiful these windows are when the frost seeps in. We have single paned windows living in our 1905 house. It's kind of hard to keep it warm, but we embrace the beauty that we see. I am going to be baking my favorite sourdough sandwich bread. I actually have this recipe on my blog, countrycastleliving.com. I will link the page to this recipe below, but I just start my dough overnight, and by morning I am ready to shape it into loaves. The beauty about this bread is that there is literally no stretching and folding. You mix the bread dough the night before, you let it rise, and it is ready to form into your loaves. That is it. I'm going to also make my kids our morning smoothie. This is a great way that I get probiotics in our body by putting our homemade milk kefir in them. And again, it's something that our family loves and looks forward to. It's a great way to start our day. Getting through the winter months can be hard and emotionally draining for us, especially having so many kids and feeling like we're more cooped up inside. We definitely do take a walk every day, but these really cold temperatures are really hard to be outside for very long. And I find that the best way to get through these cold winter months, which we do have 3 months left, is to establish a consistent rhythm and routine with my children, in cleaning my home, and really just hunkering down and doing the daily tasks and the projects that need to be done inside. And when you think about it, seasons are really purposeful in being able to just take that time to slow down and to read a book or to just reheat that laundry. I cannot even tell you, I will not fold laundry unless it's really warm because it warms me up as I fold it. So there are certain things that you just appreciate when you don't have it, and there are seasons that you appreciate more when they're not around, and I think that it's something that is actually quite romantic. I had to share this little view of Sophie showing me that she dropped her shake because she is communicating with me right now, and I just love how she is just wanting me to clean it up and let me know that she dropped her shake, and can you help me clean it, Mom? I've always wanted to be the house that my kids' friends want to come to and that they feel love and welcome. So in my videos, you'll usually see an extra friend or two just hanging around. I absolutely love my kids' friends like they are my own children. I am going to get some cleaning done, and we have the Wicked soundtrack blasting. I don't know if any of you are obsessed with this as much as we are, but I have loved it ever since I was a little girl, and I just love the new soundtrack. I sing to it all the time. I am a theater buff myself. I used to perform in musicals, so my children love music. We have it going all the time. We are dancing and we are singing. We are going to now bring up all of our Valentine decor. I really look forward to bringing out Valentine's because it is that pop of happy and color amidst kind of the bleak darkness and weather that we have outside. The kids definitely look forward to this. And I wanted to share with you these really cute pillows that my mother-in-law made us that each have a pocket. Starting February 1st, my kids will put these pillows on their bed, and every single day they will get a little trinket in their pocket of their pillow or a little note. It's just something special for them to look forward to. And I really believe in the magic of creating beautiful memories for my kids because they are only this age for a little while. And I just love that the memories we carry on, they're going to remember and carry them on in their family. I am going to use these hooks to hang a new garland that we bought. I usually buy my Valentine's decor from Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx. We kind of add to it every year, but I just fell in love with these disco hearts in this beautiful garland. So I'm going to hang it up with these hooks. And I love that Alfie climbed on the couch and followed my example. And I'm just too ADD to take off my shoes. I am very impulsive. I just had to get that garland up there. And I love it. And I definitely think I need to get a couple more just to make it even more spectacular. One of my favorite things about our home is the beautiful light that shines through our lead-paned windows, giving us an array of rainbows all day long. We are going to finish by putting a few more touches of our Valentine decor up. My bread should have risen enough by now for us to put it in the oven because there is nothing better than homemade warm bread out of the oven on a cold, chilly day. If you are new to making sourdough bread, I highly recommend you use this recipe. It is completely foolproof. I got this recipe from my younger sister who discovered how easy it was to put this loaf together with minimal effort. So if you want a delicious sourdough, fully fermented loaf of bread, this is definitely going to be your new favorite recipe because it's definitely our favorite. If you are struggling with the winter blues, I am going to give you a 3-step recipe to help your day. Bake some warm sourdough bread, put on the Wicked soundtrack or whatever music that lifts your mood, sing and dance, blast it as loud as you can, and then go put up your Valentine's decor and enjoy life, because life is worth living. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming along on my journey.